Hello Toyota Altezza or Lexus IS200 fans. So we seem to have a Choro-Q version of this thing. I didn't know this casting existed. Like most cases with Choro-Qs, they've made so many castings that are unknown to me. I just find these at local toy stores and stuff. So, alright, well, let's see how old this guy is. So it's 2000, the year 2000. Alright. Yeah, sadly, there was probably a sticker on there because you can just see the big opening there. But unfortunately, someone decided to peel it off, or maybe it just fell off being so old. So the body is the clear plastic here, and they painted this silver on top of it. It's kind of a champagne color. It's nice to see the lights within lights in the back there. So it's weird they have a texture here for these turn signals, though. The gas filler, door handles, the molding of the windows, the door panel cuts look pretty good. Standard Choro-Q tires and wheels, but I'm going to swap those out anyways. So, painted on headlights. Okay, some indication of two light bulbs. Black here, just perfectly smooth. It would have been nice if there was a grill pattern. And then here, and then we have a red dot, which I don't see in the photographs of that Toyota Altezza, but whatever. And then a really colorful motor choice. I'm not sure why they would choose to use such a vibrant motor. Alright, I don't know if that says Altezza or what, but so let's see if we can pop this out through that. Man, as usual, this tooth is like really big. It doesn't want to come out, so I gotta get the hobby knife out again and cut the back side of this tooth to get some clearance. I'm going to have to do this off camera. So I just took out the motor and took out the axle out of that thing so I could just have a wall to put this poster putty on. Without that motor, I'd have to use a lot more putty. And yeah, it actually, putty adds up, I guess. Alright, well, we got some steering effect here with the putty. You can have the camber, all that stuff, right? And then it never seems to harden or peel paint. It's really inert. It's very good stuff, this poster putty. This one is called Uhu Potafix Pro. This gray one. Alright, there we go. Just whip out a bunch of different Toyotas. Here's a relatively recent release of the Fast and Furious Supra. I added some black paint into the vents though, and these are the wheels that came with it, although I added some black paint. I forgot to paint the tailpipe. Losing my English skills there. Still, it's alright, I guess. This one's pretty cool. It's the Scion BB, but it's called the Open Deck because it's kind of got like a pickup. And I swapped out the wheels on that one with some Hot Wheels kind of stuff. These are some 3D printed wheels of the old Supra. So this is from some collection called the Mechadoc, which is some sort of cartoon show. Yeah, Toyota RAV4, never would have thought they'd make one of these, but they did. And I don't know what wheels these are. They come from either Major Ed or Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But I think they look pretty good. All flat. A little right in there. Here's a Toyota Light Ace with some 3D printed JDM wheels. I forget the name of the wheels though. This thing is from 2001. And it looks it. Pretty old looking casting. Here's a LMP racer with some alloy wheels that they swapped out. This TS010 is the race car. Alright, so Choro-Q, they make so many different castings, and it's always fun to discover new ones. And I'm pretty sure I'll discover more in the future, because there's no resource chronicling all their castings that I'm aware of. I know they have some books, but there's no complete book that shows every casting to my knowledge. So thank you for watching today, and I guess I'll see you in the next Toyota Deformed video.